nation signed a historic peace agreement with its neighboring country in 2025, ending a decade-long conflict? Correct answer is option C, Colombia. Which country hosted the 2025 United Nations Climate Change Conference? Correct answer is option D, South Africa. Which country won the most number of gold medals in the 2022 Winter Olympics? Correct answer is option D, Norway. In 2018, who became the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal at the Asian Games? Correct answer is option A. Which of the following is a famous Indian painting style that originated in Rajasthan? Correct answer is option D, miniature painting. The famous Taj Mahal is an example of which style of architecture? Correct answer is option C, Mughal. The famous poem An Atlas of the World was written by which modern Indian poet? Correct answer is option B, Aga Shahid Ali. Who wrote the Mahabharata in Kannada, which is a notable adaptation of the epic in regional Indian literature? Correct answer is option A. In which state is the ancient rock-cut monument of Elephanta Caves located? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. The Sun Temple at Konark was built in the 13th century during the reign of which king? Correct answer is option B. What is the main function of red blood cells in the human body? Correct answer is option A, carry oxygen from the lungs to the tissue. Which of the following is not an example of an inorganic compound? Correct answer is option C, glucose. In which year was the Simon Commission set up by the British government? Correct answer is option A, 1927. Who was the Viceroy of India during the First World War? Correct answer is option C. The Chilika Lake is located in which of the following states? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. Which of the following states is the largest producer of jute in India? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. In which year did India become a republic and adopt its constitution? Correct answer is option C, 1950. Which of the following countries was the first to give women the right to vote? Correct answer is option C, New Zealand. What is the maximum term of the Rajya Sabha members? Correct answer is option C, 6 years. Which amendment to the Indian Constitution granted the right to vote to 18-year-old? Correct answer is option C, 61. Which of the following is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations? Correct answer is option A, International Court of Justice. The International Atomic Energy Agency was established to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy. Where is its headquarters located? Correct answer is option C. What does the acronym URL stand for in Internet terminology? Correct answer is option B. Uniform Resource Locator. What is the main purpose of an operating system? Correct answer is option A. To manage hardware and software resources. Which of the following is the first state in India to implement the Universal Basic Income Model? Correct answer is option A. Kerala. Which of the following is the first Indian state to implement the Agriculture Produce Market Committee Act? Correct answer is option A. Maharashtra. Who is the first woman in India to win the Bharat Ratna, India highest civilian award? Correct answer is option B. Indira Gandhi. Which of the following leaders is considered the key architect of modern Singapore? Correct answer is option A. Which of the following programs aims at providing free LPG connections to women from below poverty line families in India? Correct answer is option B. Which flagship program aims at promoting gender equality and addressing issues related to the girl child in India? Correct answer is option C.